Check the tolerances on line 3. We're seeing a slight variance.
Adjusting the parameters now. The integrated system should compensate automatically.
Sequence utilizes advanced production equipment, implementing precision engineering protocols throughout the primary stage of component fabrication. Automated quality control utilizing advanced production equipment, implementing precision engineering protocols and ensuring reliable product performance.
Manufacturing sequence showing robotic assembly systems, manufacturing surface treatment processing, utilizing advanced production equipment, implementing precision engineering protocols. Implementing precision engineering protocols and automated quality control ensures reliable product performance across all global operations. Our advanced production equipment implements precision engineering protocols, validating material preparation and maintaining consistent quality control. Our advanced production equipment implements precision engineering protocols, maintaining the stringent quality standards required for reliable product performance. Automated handling systems configuring calibration and adjustment, utilizing advanced production equipment, implementing precision engineering protocols. Our manufacturing sequence utilizes advanced precision engineering equipment for material pre-processing and assembly.
Manufacturing sequence showing automated quality control fabricating precision machining operations utilizing advanced production equipment implementing precision engineering protocols. The calibration on Unit 7 is complete.
Inspection data confirms alignment with protocols.
Automated handling systems perform precision calibration and adjustment, maintaining strict compliance requirements throughout the production sequence.
From advanced materials processing and precision engineering to rigorous quality control, our logistics ensure Utilizing advanced production equipment, our systems implement precision engineering protocols, ensuring meticulous attention to detail and reliable product performance. Advanced production equipment utilizes precision engineering protocols to validate the assembly configuration, ensuring consistent quality control throughout operations. Our advanced production equipment utilizes precision engineering protocols. We implement rigorous testing and validation procedures. Ensure all final inspection procedures adhere to the strict compliance requirements. The advanced equipment confirms the precision engineering protocols are active. These metrics confirm the reliability of the new surface treatment process.
Precision engineering protocols are holding strong.
Implementing precision engineering protocols, our advanced production equipment ensures superior manufacturing standards and reliable product performance.
The calibration on Unit 7 is complete. Good.
Initiating the next sequence for distribution protocols.
Precision engineering protocols are implemented across the manufacturing sequence, utilizing advanced production equipment and strict quality assurance. The comprehensive testing protocols confirm complete functionality.
Performance specifications are validated. The product is ready for packaging. All primary distribution lanes are green. We are on schedule for all priority deliveries this quarter.
Remember to follow the updated safety protocols for the welding stations. The robotics training improved our efficiency metrics significantly.
Quality pass rate is holding steady at 100%.
The optimized throughput confirms successful implementation.
The transformative importance of the Bulletproof Vest Factory cannot be overstated. Serving global technology